Hey guys, don't drop the price on your listing just yet. I'm Jennifer Moore with Associated Mortgage. I'm local in the Basin. I just feel like I need to reach out and just give you some tips to help you get the most money in your seller's pockets, right? Net after everything's done. And also to keep those borrowers under contract and keep them from backing out and help them get the most affordable payment we can possibly get. So I want to show you this. I'm going to back it up. So stick with me here. I am going to talk about a home price in the $419,900. So it's almost $420,000. So $419,900 home listing price. Okay, so there's really two numbers that buyers want to know. They want to know monthly payment and they want to know cash to close. Now this situation here is 5% down payment. I'm finding that really down payment is tricky, especially in our market right now, because this is really a killer first-time home buyer market. For the first time, we're able to start seeing more seller concessions happening and less offers over ask price, less cash offers, all those things. You guys know this, but let me show you. For a 5% down payment, their payment is going to be $29.22 on a home purchase of $419,900. So let's just look at most commonly what people think is that you need to drop the list price to be able to get a better payment, which is fairly true and it works, but it's not the most effective, I promise. So check this out. We're going to offer your buyers, you're going to hear this from them. They want to offer $22,900 less in this situation, okay? They're going to save $147 on their payment. So yes, it does work, but is it the most effective? Let's see. This third column is a situation where they're going to say, well, you can kind of coach them through this, or I send them a strategy just like this, point like clearly has the numbers right in front of them. What if we offer $12,000 less and maybe ask for $12,000 back in closing costs? Okay, what are we going to do with it? We're going to buy down this rate. So instead of it being 6.9, we're going to get a 5.7% interest rate. And yes, your payment is a lot better. Okay, you're going to save them $370 a month with that 500 or 5.7% interest rate. But I want to take it just one step further, because what happens when you buy down the rate? We invested $12,000 to buy down the rate. What happens if next year we get rates in the 4.5? Fannie Mae's predicted interest rates in the 4.5%. So we're going to refinance. There's no secret. We're going to refinance. So we just invested $12,000 to save $370 a month. Okay, we've used $4,440 of that. So we have already just lost a buttload of money, right? And we didn't even get to use it. So I'm going to show you something here that's really, really cool. There's a product called a 2-1 buy down. Now, when you're doing a less than 10% down, you can only do a 2-1 buy down. There are programs, it's called a 3-2-1 buy down, which covers 3 years of lower payments than what you qualify for up front. But I want to show you 5% down. I mean, this is what we're seeing. Most people don't have 5% or more than 10% down unless they're selling another house, which would be a great strategy for them too. But 5% down, you're going to offer the same. You're going to get a 2% lower interest rate in the first year. So year one, you're going to automatically save your borrowers $510. I call them borrowers, they're your buyers, but $510 a month. In year two, we're going to go down 1% interest rate. So now we're at 5.9, right? And we're going to save them $261 per month on their payment. So year three, you're going back to the note rate, which is 6.9 in this situation, and you're not saving them anything. But you're probably thinking, so what is the seller concession? How much does that cost? So in 12 months, you're going to save your buyers $7,982. Okay. We're just going to do the math. We're going to add it up. $79.82, and we're in year one, that's what we're saving. And in year two, it's $39.94. So $11,976 is what we're saving our buyers over the first 2 years. The greatest thing about this program is if we refinance next year, because we're going to get better than a 5.9% interest rate, guess what? All this money's in escrow. It doesn't disappear. Your loan amount drops by what's left. Cool, huh? So I'm a kind of girl that likes to save a lot of money, but I also like to not lose it. And gambling is not my thing. So this is a great program that would be for me. I would love this. Now, if you want to see how much you can save your borrowers on a 3-to-1 buy down, remember 10% down. Your cash to close reflects it. Okay, 10% down. They're going back to 3% interest rates in year one. Check it out. $706 you're saving. Year two, it's 2% lower, right? $483 a month. And in year three, you're going to save your buyers $247. So this is also cool. If you want to see how much it's going to cost in seller concession, then I can just add up these the savings here per month that I have. And this is for 1 year, right? And so this one is going to be a seller concession of $22,680. So really cool programs. If you want me to run an analysis for anyone that's buying for you, that's purchasing, I would love to give them pre-approved and get them this information because it's really great. You're gonna look great. I love helping first-time home buyers. There's such a feeling of getting someone in a house and they've never owned one before. They are so grateful. Also, if you have a listing and want a flyer that reflects this, if your sellers are motivated and willing to offer this, and sometimes that is, moving the list price up slightly to cover some of the costs, it's a really great program. So reach out to me if you have any questions. Feel free. Whoever gives you this link will know how to find me. So Jennifer Moore with Associated Mortgage. I live in Altona, so I'm right here local. I have experience in our market, and I've been here for 10 years. So anyway, I'm so excited to talk with you and explain in more detail and help figure out how to solve the problems that you're running into, because I know you're feeling the pressure. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.